Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Alright, in today's video I want to quickly show you guys one of the latest updates of Pi that is going on right now. Alright, so that it's kind of, I really don't understand what is going on with Pi. Alright, so I'm showing you this video so that you don't fall victim of this and you don't end up like me. Okay, so the moment you get the message, the moment you get this information I'm going to share to you, please make sure you do the verification. Okay, so new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload a new video. I was coming from work and I remember that I had to click my to activate my miner. Alright, so I log into Pi app and then clicking my miner and then setting it up, started mining. Before I know it, I get a pop-up from the interface saying that you must complete the liveness check. I was like, what's this? You must complete the liveness check. It says your KYC result and migration are pending because you need to complete additional liveness check. Please please complete this step now to unlock yourself in the process. Doing it later will cause delay in your KYC and receiving your Pi. I was wondering, which one is this one? I said, okay, fine. Let me just continue because I was inside the bus, alright, going to my place. So I said, okay, let me come down from the bus and then I'll look for a place to do the liveness KYC. I was just hoping that okay, it's just for me to put my face on camera and then get it recorded or get it snapped and sent to them. I said okay. Only for me to come down from the bus, I look for a place and then I stood. I said okay, let me do the verification. I click on continue. When I did that, it was asking for my email, that I should verify my email. Alright, because this Pi mining journey has been very long. Alright, so I really did not remember the exact email that I used. So I say, how am I going to remember the email that I use now? So I had to quickly say, okay, let me go and check. Alright, so I minimized the app to go and check. So after checking, I then came back. Okay, on the process of getting back on the Pi app to continue the verification, the Pi app launched all over again. So the chance of me doing the live check, was ruined. You understand? So after that, the next thing I got when I did log into my app, I noticed that everything is fine. My KYC is showing that my KYC verification is still showing that I am verified. When you log into your app, you see, if you scroll down, you see that the KYC verification, you see, is complete. I was wondering what was that for. So I said, okay, let me go to my Pi browser. When I got to my Pi browser, this was the message I saw from my Pi browser. Alright, before it was showing green, congratulations, you have KYC, you've done your KYC. Alright, so I don't understand this whole process. Now it said your application status, tentative approval. Upon additional check before migration, your KYC status was changed to tentatively KYC pending additional examination. Further instruction will inform your next step to resolve this tentative status. And I was, what's this? So as it is now, it kind of it therefore means that I am not able, my KYC has not been completed. Alright, so but when I go to my Pi browser, I check on the KYC, you see that it's still the same. My KYC is showing tentative uh, status. So I really do not know. So in case you get the notification, guys, please make sure you do your uh verification. And if you don't remember your email, like like what happened to me, please, as you got this video, make sure to go and check your email, what email you use in registering your Pi account, all right, so that you don't fall victim of what happened to me now, all right. So that is it, guys. That is it, guys. The only thing I have not checked is that if my Pi that was moved to Mainnet is still on my wallet. So let's check, guys. Okay, guys, let's check my wallet if the token from my Mainnet is still there. Okay. Sorry, guys, I'm going to blur this my seed phrase so that for security reasons. Okay. If you see now on my wallet, you see that I still have my token. You get, I still have my token here. All right, but what was that? I really do not understand. Okay, I really do not understand what happened. All right, if you click here now, if you click on Mainnet, you see that we have both Mainnet and testnet. All right, it shows that what is we are seeing now, it shows that I have been migrated. All right, I have been migrated. You understand? So I don't really understand what is actually going on. All right, not really what is actually going on. So, but thank God that my Pi is still available here. So please, guys, don't fall victim of this. The moment you receive the message, please make sure you complete the KYC. Okay, make sure to complete your KYC. And if you don't remember your email, all right, now that you have seen this video, please check your email in case you got the pop-up. You complete the process immediately. All right, so if you find this video helpful or you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload a new video. And for my current subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. All right, may God bless you, may God support you in everything you do. All right, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.